Welcome, myself Anil Kumar Chaurasia. In this video I am going to demonstrate how chief engineer can submit the project related to the flood control. Just open the EPAMS and log in through chief engineer. I have already explained all the menu in the module of the project authority for submission of irrigation DPR. Now I will submit here a flood control project. For that I will have to create a project from this menu. You can use this option, add new. You will have to fill this information and create save. This after filling this information, project name, project type, suppose you select flood control coastal, objective flood control, drainage, coastal protection. These are the parameters on which your workflow will depend. It will be submitted in Central Water Commission. Flood control. What is project of the major, medium, minor, state, external assistance project, yes, no, national project, yes, no, and these are the other co-basing state. You save it and it will create the project. Now I have already created a project. Just I am going to click edit. June flood demo. Its project type is flood control, coastal protection, drainage. Project objective flood control, anti-erosion, major project, Uttar Pradesh, externally assisted, national project, yes. I have chosen something arbitrary here, other co-basing state, then next. I can here put attachment related to externally assisted national project also. Oh. This is the step for the project creation. Now here in menu you can see that irrigation, flood control, Ganga basin. In this video I am going to demonstrate flood control, so click flood control. You can see it here, there is no PR, only DPR and IC is there, means in flood there is no concept of PR. Now I will submit a DPR. How can you do? Just click add new, select your project and fill all the information and click next. Here you can see that the whole forms has been divided into small parts. Silent feature part, silent feature type of work, silent feature district benefited, DPR detail part 2, checklist, chapters, attachment and final submission. Here we have also provided the save as draft kind of facility. Suppose you are not able to complete fill all the forms in one time, then you can left and come log in this system. Just click and flood control. You will see that whatever the work you have done here is available here. You can continue your work. All previous work is saved here. Now one project, June flood demo. I have put it some data here. Just continue with this for submission of this proposal. Click on edit. You just fill all the information required here. Next. Now you can see that in silent feature part, area protected, population benefited, land acquisition required, estimated cost project, price level, BC ratio. Next. What river basin, I have added one here. You can also add from here. You can add own. Just add in list. You see here that it is added. You can delete it also if not required. Must. These are the district benefited. You can add it from here. Next. These are the parameters capture. Just see one. If the scheme was sent back earlier, whether the deficiency on the DPR communication by CWC has been attended, and the compliances are incorporated in the updated DPR if you submit the point wise compliances. These kind of the you have to fill information in yes no. Based on these information you will have to submit attachment. In next further slides you will find a checklist will be generated. Whatever you are filling here, it will depend on that. Now click next. Now you can see here DPR checklist. You will have to fill state TSE meeting, beyond state TSE Annexure 1. You can see here whatever information is required you will have to fill. If it is required in a predefined format, then here is a link to download. Means you have to submit your information in predefined format. You can click it here to download for that format. After filling that format you will upload the annexure in next slide. Now next. This is the chapter wise attachment. You can see here forward by head of department, silent feature, executive summary, prioritization of scheme, hydrology, design of work. There are so many chapters. You have to upload the chapter wise attachment here. You can add multiple attachment against one. Here I have added one. I can upload one more. Upload. Now you can see it here that I have attached two files. In same way you can attach multiple files here. During the uploadation of file, you can see it here what format it will accept is given here. You will have to complete all the chapters. For demo purpose I am allowed to go next, but in actual site it will not go. Last there is a upload section where you have to upload the attachment. You can see here index map, silent satellite imagery, externally assisted. All attachments should be uploaded here. If you don't put or left anyone, it will give message, and final it will not able to get submitted from. So you can see it here, there is one attachment, so it is written here one. All the things are there. After completing all the attachment, click on next. You will find out that there is final submit button. You can see whatever data you are going to submit by clicking here on print previously data. And suppose if you do not want to submit, then go log out, come other day, just log in. You come again on flood control, coastal protection, drainage. You will find that your this project is still with you, because submit option shows that whatever the project you are going to submit, and submitted option shows whatever the project you have submitted here for appraisal. This shows that this project has been submitted for the appraisal, and whatever the status is here, you can see it here. You can see its status. So this option, submit option, shows that whatever the proposal you are going to submit, means it is still in your hand, it is not submitted to CWC. This option shows that you have submitted the project and CWC is doing its appraisal. Now we come at our work, which we have to submit June flood demo DPR. Now click edit. You will find all the data whatever you have saved here. Next, 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 next. Now I am going to submit it. Now click on final submit. Now it is showing the message DPR of June flood demo has been submitted successfully. To whom it has gone? Deputy Secretary, externally assisted. You can click and see the detail. Now this project, now you will not find this project in your submit option because it has been submitted. Now go to submit flood control. It get disappeared from here. Now it has moved to the submitted because you have submitted this project June flood demo. Now you have submitted. No action is done here till now. It will now submitted. Now the CWC will start its appraisal. Its status will get changed from here, in process, some kind of thing. You can see its status, whatever the status. Suppose nodal officer of CWC want presentation, it will appear here in red color, presentation required. And if any type of clarification is required by appraising officer, then it will appear here. You can click it and get you can give reply also. as it is clear that you have submitted the proposal, so this entry has been gone from submit to submitted, because it is not with you, now it is with CWC. So what for seeing what is the status, you will have to go submitted, flood control. You can see here June flood demo is here, it is still submitted, and view status. CWC start working on it, as well as officer will work, and in progress it will show the status. Now here we can see that for one project this is called test, it is in process, and you can see its view status. Now this is the view status, that this project is with director MNA, and this, and they that region director is doing appraisal, and you can click it to see whatever appraisal has been done by that. Okay, close. Now it is clear that there is red color text presentation required, means nodal officer want a presentation from you. So just click it, see it in Krishi Bhavan, and what is the gist. You prepare it and go for presentation. And there is one more option, communication required, means nodal officer wants some clarification from you. Nodal officer has generated a query for you, clarification. Just click it. Yes, there is an entry on 28, clarify 1. If any attachment is there, then you can click it. Now you can see it which user. Now click it, you will able to see the detail. Now you can give reply from here, add reply. Okay, you can put also attachment. I am not putting attachment here, just click save. You have given your reply. So in that way if there are any type of clarification, you can give reply. Okay, this option you have given reply, but it is still showing to you, because nodal officer has not closed its communication. If nodal officer close communication, then it will stop visible here, means this option will not be shown when it will be stopped, close the communication by the nodal officer. If you have attended the presentation, and nodal officer can mark that yes, presentation has been attended, both options will get disappeared. It will not appear every time. Whenever it will be required, there is query, then it will appear only. Now in this demo I have explained that how to submit flood irrigation flood related proposal, and how to track its status. Means if there is clarification, then you can give reply from your side also. No need to submit any physical document. This is all thing about flood. In same manner, you can create the project related to the other flood control Ganga basin. This is the project authority module. Here a chief engineer UPCE1 login has submitted a DPR for flood control. Thank you.